Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Minimalist Vitamin C Serum. First, ensure your skin is clean and dry. After cleansing, dispense a small amount, typically 2 to 3 drops, onto your fingertips. Then, gently pat the serum evenly across your face and neck. Allow it to absorb fully before moving on to your next skincare step. This ensures maximum efficacy and prepares your skin for further hydration. For best results, incorporate the serum into your morning routine. Applying it in the morning helps protect your skin from environmental stressors throughout the day. Always follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen, ideally with an SPF of 30 or higher, to shield your skin from UV damage. Proper storage in a cool, dark place is crucial to preserve the serum's effectiveness and prevent oxidation. Consistent use of vitamin C serum offers several benefits, including brightening your complexion and diminishing the appearance of dark spots. It also plays a vital role in boosting collagen production, which can lead to firmer, more youthful-looking skin. If you have sensitive skin or are new to vitamin C, always perform a patch test on a small area first to ensure no adverse reactions occur. To maximize your skin's glow, consider layering your vitamin C serum with a hyaluronic acid product for enhanced hydration. If you're new to vitamin C, introduce it slowly into your routine, perhaps 2 to 3 times per week, gradually increasing frequency as your skin adjusts. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Investing in quality skincare and comfortable essentials makes a difference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.